Hello, welcome. My name is Fleur Allen. I'm a business success coach. My business is called Ask Fleur. You can find my online business on my website, askfleur.com. You spell Fleur, F-L-E-U-R. The online coaching platform I use is called Kajabi. And I just want to share one aspect of how I use that. I have some other videos talking about an overview of everything that I use through Kajabi. But for today, I'd love to show you how I use it for my free introductory call. So if you're thinking of using me as a coach, then I'm available for a 30-minute call so we can get to know each other, find out what you need, and see if I can help you. Today's video is to show you how I do that using Kajabi. Before I do that, I'll share my screen. Jump on my website here, askfleur.com, and I have a link here, try Kajabi for free. So if you go in here and you use this free 30-day free trial, then I'll receive a small commission because I'm an affiliate partner. But in exchange for that, I'd love to support you by booking a call, a free call, a 45-minute call. So to walk you through and get you set up as fast as possible. So the way I do that is through Kajabi. So how about that? So this is the live website and how my clients book a call, or my prospective clients, people interested, curious about working with me, is you go through here, book a call, and I'm logged in here as a client, because I always create a client profile for myself. So if you're wanting to book a call to find out more about my coaching services, you just pop in your details. I like to know what your top business challenge is and what your goals are, so we can talk about that when we get together. And when that request comes through, which I did later, so this is my profile as a client. So I've already done that. I've already booked an Ask Fleur call. Now I've got lots of product in here. Here we go. So I've already booked that through here. So as the client, this is what it looks like. So I've used that several times. So I'm going here. That's if I want to log in as a client, just showing you what it looks like. But from a coach perspective, it is. So this is all my progress in coaching. You can see here, you can do a bunch of things with Kajabi. And this is this free Ask Fleur call. So when someone books in, then they're listed here. So I just click in. And here we are as the coach. So I'm actually recording this through this coaching system. You would just click in here. Just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of what it looks like, because I use Kajabi for all my online meetings. I don't have a subscription in business for Zoom because I don't need it. And the concept behind that is, when you have a login for my business, it's just one login, no matter what you're meeting for, whether it's a free call, just a check-in, whether you're a client and you have a one-to-one meeting with me. All my one-to-one top-tier clients have access to everything that I offer. So they are also accessing group coaching because that's part of their package. So they only have one login, and then they just go looking for what it is they're doing with me. I don't need to use Zoom. I don't need to use webinar software. I can do it all through Kajabi. So it's one login for your client, but it's one login for you as well as the coach, and also one subscription. So it's just action. It's so full of value for what I do. I've been using it for about 5, maybe 6 months now. I forget how long. It really, really does work for me. So I encourage you to trial it. So jump on my website, askfleur.com, go to try Kajabi free, and click on the link, register to get the 30-day access. Once you've done that, contact me and I'll take you on a 45-minute free call, walking you through the back end to help you get set up as fast as possible, so you can enjoy as much success as quickly as possible. I look forward to hearing from you. Reach out any questions you might have, and looking forward to onboarding you for Kajabi.